Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Aflac settlement payments, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by reviewing your Aflac settlement agreement. Identify the terms and conditions regarding withdrawal options. Check if there are any specific deadlines for making a withdrawal request. Gather all necessary documentation related to your settlement payments. This may include your claim number, settlement agreement, and any correspondence from Aflac. Contact Aflac's Customer Service Department. You can find the phone number or online contact form on their official website. Prepare to explain your situation clearly when speaking with a representative. Ask about the process for withdrawing from settlement payments. Request information about any potential fees or penalties associated with the withdrawal. Take detailed notes during your conversation for future reference. If applicable, complete any required forms or paperwork provided by the representative. Double-check that the information you provide is accurate and complete. Submit your withdrawal request as instructed by the Aflac representative. Keep a copy of your withdrawal request for your records. Follow up with Aflac after submitting your request to confirm receipt. Monitor your email or mailbox for any responses or updates regarding your request. Be patient, as processing times may vary. If you do not receive a response in a reasonable timeframe, contact Aflac again for an update. Once your request is processed, review any new settlement terms provided. Ensure that you fully understand the implications of the withdrawal on your overall settlement. Consider consulting with a financial advisor if you have questions about your next steps. Stay informed about your rights and options throughout the process. Keep all related documents organized for future reference. Document any further communications with Aflac for your records. This will help you keep track of your withdrawal status and any additional steps you may need to take. Always stay proactive in following up with Aflac until the process is completed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.